Hey you guys, my name is Jodie and welcome to my channel. For today's video, it's going to be an unboxing video on this bridal subscription called the ring boxes. Yay! So as many of you know or many of you don't know, I got engaged on February 9th, 2019 to the love of my life. And that's probably going to be another video on the whole engagement and relationship and stuff if you guys want to see it. But so after I got engaged, of course, I'm like Googling the web, like what can I get to just like celebrate this engagement and just cute things. So I stumbled across the ring boxes. Actually, it was pretty weird. I was on IG, and you know when you post stuff and the ads, well, that was one of the ads, the ring boxes, and I was just like, okay, government looking at us. Anyways, so yeah, I was like, the ring boxes, okay. So I went ahead and subscribed to them, and I just got my box last week. Sorry, I kind of already opened it. I couldn't wait, but I wanted to go ahead and start this unboxing for you guys. So today I'm going to go over everything that was in the box and explain to detail what I got in my box this month. So the box is pretty simple. I mean, it's pretty big for a subscription box. I don't have a big subscription box like this. I have Sephora and I've had Ipsy and stuff, so it's always been pretty small. So to me, I was just like, yo, this is huge. But I guess it has to fit everything that comes inside. So once you open the box, super cute. It says congrats. It says congrats, you're engaged. We are so excited to be a part of this journey with you. XOXO, the ring boxes. I thought that was pretty cute. Every time I would look at it on other people's IGs, I'm like, yo, that is super cute. So when you first open it, of course, you see the cards that are on top. The first card was enter to win. So I guess if you post on your IG or Facebook and you tag them, you get a chance to win your next month free. So just pretty much instructions on how to do that. The next one was like a little tips on what to do after you're engaged. I thought that was super cute. The last little thing that's in there is 2 little recipes for date night. The first one is a homemade pizza competition, and then the last one is the pork chops. So it pretty much tells you exactly what you need, the prep time, stuff like that. Oh, I just noticed that it has a wine pairing. Hello, I'm obsessed with wine. So yeah, this is super cute. It's gonna be super helpful because my girlfriend and fiance and I, we cook a lot at home because we love to cook at home and it's a lot cheaper to cook at home. College students, ex-college students, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is super cute. I'm super excited to try these recipes, and yeah, let's get on to the box. So the rest of the box, when you open it up, you kind of just move this cute little paper right here. And the first item that caught my attention was definitely this mug. I don't know if you can see, there it goes. Officially off the market. Oh my god, I am like obsessed with mugs. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, I love mugs. You can't really tell when you kind of go like this, but I'm sure when you put the liquid in there, then you'll be able to see. But yeah, I thought this was super cute, and when I saw people getting it in their boxes, I was like, yep, this is probably one of the most things I'm super excited for. Next thing in the box are these cute little socks. It says the bride, and they're from the Paisley box. So I'm not sure what the retail price on them are, but it does come with a 20% code so you can get for your bridal party. So that's pretty cool if you are into the whole socks thing. These are cute little things that you can wear at home, on the go. I mean, really anywhere, it doesn't really matter. So that's super cute. The next thing that's in the box is this notebook right here. It says the bride's notes, and it's also from the Paisley box. I guess you can use this to write down your ideas for your wedding, stuff like that. I personally might not put this to use for wedding planning, and that will be another video. But I know other people would find this very helpful. So that was one of the other items in the box. Disclaimer, there was also another item in the box. I already used it. It was a bath bomb, and it was like a mint flavor. I can insert a picture in a bit. But yeah, that was one of the other items that was in the box. So the last item in the box was this cute t-shirt that says girlfriend crossed out fiance. So cute, and it's pink, my favorite color. This was also one of the other items that I was super excited about in the box. I did forget to mention that when you first sign up for the ring box, it asks you if it is Miss and Miss or if it's Miss and Mr. because they curate the different items that come in the box. Like for example, I know some people got the little ring tray, and I didn't get that one, but I'm guessing because one side was for male and one side was for female, so I didn't get it in my box. But I know that people got it in their boxes, which is totally cool. I mean, everything that I got I'm super in love with, but the shirt is super cute. Oh, and about the shirts, they also asked you for your shirt size, so I would say get like accurate, because I had asked for I think I asked for an extra large or 1X because the sizing on the chart was really weird, but I got an extra large, and I'm kind of glad that I got the extra large because it fits like kind of big, so it'll be cute to wear around the house. But definitely like get your size because it's like to fit size. But yeah, you guys, that's everything that I got in my box. The only other stuff that was in here was this cute little white things that are in here. I mean, they're gonna throw them away, but they're just so cute. But yeah, you guys, if you got in the ring box before, or if you're wanting to get the ring box, I would definitely suggest it. It's super cute. Everything that you get definitely is over the price that you pay for it. I get the month-to-month one, so I think it's $40 a month. Yeah, $40 a month. And everything that came in my box, it either retailed at $40 or over $40, so you definitely get your money's worth. And if you're wanting to get your ring box, I will insert a code down below. It's a code that they give to you once you get subscribed to your ring box. So I'm not at all affiliated with them. It's just a code that they give to everyone that gets the subscription. So if you or someone you love has gotten engaged, I would definitely recommend it. Even if it's just for 1 month, it's cute little things to celebrate your engagement. So that's all I have for you guys right now, and when I get my box next month, I'll go ahead and unbox on camera so you guys can see exactly what I got. And if you got the ring box, or if you know someone that got the ring box, shoot down below what you got in your box. I definitely would want to know if we got the same things or different things. But until next time, peace.